Hi guys, today I want to show you a staff what I've made for one of the customers who's bought quite a few things off me. She likes the energy what I put into these devices, and she asked me to make something to give her spiritual protection because she feels that she's under attack with the things that she does. So I did some research and I came across a cubit I've not used before, and it's called a sacred continent cubit, and it's a really huge cubit indeed. It's about 4 times bigger than the standard ones that I normally work with. So to give you an idea, that one there, that is only a quarter of a sacred continent cubit, and it's actually slightly bigger than a sacred one. So it's like 4 times the size. But what it's really good at is one of the properties, as apart from other ones, is protection and a spiritual protection and coming from a higher realms. Now this cubit is one of the most ancient ones I've come across. So apparently it's from the first seeding of humanity on Earth. So therefore it's one that's been hidden a lot. And I think I've found it now because I'm ready to start making stuff from it. So basically I've made this staff for the lady, and it's designed so you can actually hold it in both hands. So you have one hand on there, one hand on there, face forward, and then that's then going to send a protection pulse in all directions around you, but it is designed to be held in both hands. Now, when I say it's designed, basically I come up with this idea when I did a meditation and asked my higher self for some help and to help this lady, because she's like I said, she's become a good friend of mine, so I really wanted to help her. So this is what I've come up with. So that the handles themselves, they're actually two. Was it two? Yeah, just over 2 meters, 2.16 meters, I think they are each of wire in those, and that's actually only half of this sacred continent cubit. So it gives you an idea how big the ring would be if you actually made a full size, full one. And then I've put some amethyst quartz at the end, wrapped in tensor wire. So I'm quite happy with that, and I've put it on a stand like that so you can see it easy. So what do you think, guys? Do you like that? I'm really happy with it. I must say, when I made this, everything just went into place so perfectly. It was so, I won't say easy to make, but it was straightforward. Nothing went wrong. And definitely, I think I was guided to make this for her. So I hope she likes it.